Hey everyone, welcome back. I know, exams are just around the corner and seeing a chapter called Differential Equations can feel a little scary. But trust me, don't you worry. By the end of this short explainer, you'll realize it's actually one of the easiest, most scoring chapters you have. So let's jump right in and make it super simple.
So, what's on the menu today? We're going to cover just 5 simple things. First, we'll see what these equations are all about and why there's nothing to fear. Then, my favorite part, order and degree. This is where your guaranteed marks are waiting. After that, we'll look at the 2 types of answers you can get. Then, the most important tool in your toolbox, the separation method. And finally, we'll solve a real exam question together. Chalo, let's begin.
So section 1, what is this big, complicated-sounding thing, a differential equation? It sounds tough, right? But let's break it down.
All right, don't get scared by the fancy definition. You already know what an equation is, right? Like x plus y equals 7. And you definitely know what a derivative is, like dy dx. Well, a differential equation is just mixing them together. It's simply an equation that has a derivative in it. That's all it is. See? Nothing to be afraid of. Now for the best part. Section 2 is where you're going to learn how to score marks in less than 30 seconds. No, I'm not joking. The question will be, find the order and degree, and you'll be able to answer it just by looking. It's that easy.
First up is order. The rule is incredibly simple. Just find the big boss derivative in the equation, the highest one you can see. Is it a first derivative, a second derivative, or a third derivative? Whatever that highest number is, that's your order. Simple!
Okay, let's try it with this example. Take a good look. We have a third derivative here and a second derivative here. Which one is higher? The third one, obviously. So the order of this entire equation is just 3. That's your answer. Easy marks right in your pocket.
Next up is degree. The rule for degree is also very easy, but there's one small catch you must remember. You only look at the highest order derivative you just found, the big boss. The degree is just the power of that one term. You have to completely ignore the powers of all the other smaller derivatives.
Let's go back to our same example. We already decided the highest order derivative is d cubed y by dx cubed. Now what's its power? There's no number written, which means its power is just 1. Now you might see that the other term has a power of 3. Do we care? Not at all. We only look at the highest order one. So the degree is 1. Order is 3. Degree is 1. Full narcs, just like that.
Okay, let's move on. When you solve a normal equation, you get a number, right? Like x equals 5. But when you solve a differential equation, the answer is actually a function, like y equals something with x in it. And these answers or solutions come in 2 main types. The 2 types are general and particular. A general solution is, well, general. It has constants in it, usually a plus c, which means it actually represents a whole family of possible curves. But a particular solution is specific. You get this when you're given some extra information, which lets you find the exact value of c. So, simple rule, if you see a plus c, it's general. No plus c, it's particular.
All right, now for the main event. How do we actually solve these things? There are a few ways, but the most important one for your exam, the one you absolutely must know, is called the method of separation of variables.
Think of this as a simple 4-step recipe, my secret recipe for you. Step 1, push all the terms with y and dy to one side of the equal sign. Step 2, push all the terms with x and dx to the other side, and you've separated the variables. Step 3, integrate both sides. You are already a master of integration. And the most crucial final step, step 4, add the constant of integration, plus c on one side. Never, ever, ever forget the plus c.
Enough theory. Let's do what really matters. Solve an actual textbook example. This is going to make everything perfectly clear. Here is the question. We need to find the general solution for dy dx equals x plus 1 divided by 2 minus y. Now is a great time to pause the explainer, grab a pen and paper, and try to apply our 4-step recipe yourself. Go on, give it a shot.
Okay, let's start with steps 1 and 2, separation. We need all the y terms on one side and all the x terms on the other. It's just a simple cross multiplication. The 2 minus y goes to the left with dy, and the dx goes to the right with x plus 1. And just like that, the variables are separated. Easy peasy.
Now for step 3, integrate both sides. This should be very easy for all of you. We just put the integration symbol on both sides of our new equation. And now let's solve the integrals. The integral of 2 minus y is 2y minus y squared by 2. The integral of x plus 1 is x squared by 2 plus x. And for our final crucial step, we add the plus c. And that's it. We have found the general solution. The main work is done. Well done, Beta.
So let's do a quick revision for the exam. What are the key takeaways? Order is the highest derivative. Degree is the power of that highest derivative. A general solution will always have a plus c. A particular solution will not have c. And for our superstar method, separate the variables, integrate both sides, and always remember to add plus c. Got it? Perfect.
And that's it for this chapter. See? It's not so difficult after all. You've put in the hard work, you've prepared well, and you're going to do great in your exams. Just trust yourself. I have full faith in all of you. All the very best.